Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and see how much does it cost to rent a U-Haul for a day. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. First of all, go ahead, access your Chrome browser and go to uhaul.com. Once you're in this U-Haul, so for you to simply go ahead and rent a U-Haul actually depends on the service that it provides. So for, like, you can save per mile, it says, so in town rental cost breakdown is that it costs you $99 per mile driven. It's like it can go up to start from $59 to up to $99 for you to for a per mile it costs if you want to rent a U-Haul. It can also go by the truck sizes, what truck you are actually renting, and where is the location. It all depends on that. So for the matter, you simply gotta go ahead, contact U-Haul personally, and while you're booking, while you're doing the booking, you can go ahead, explain your time and how far you're going, your hours, and that's how you can go ahead generate your amount and can calculate it. That is the way. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.